Curious how AI is transforming modern human resources? Welcome to AI Certification in Human Resources by AI CERTs. Gain AI skills for workforce planning, talent management, and decision-making. Learn AI-driven HR analytics, workflow automation, recruitment, and employee data insights. Enhance efficiency, accuracy, and strategic impact in HR. AI transforms HR. Without an AI plan, organizations risk losing efficiency. AI Certification in HR by AI CERTs provides key AI insights for improved HR and automation. This aligns AI with business goals for smarter management. AI Certification in Human Resources by AI CERTs builds essential AI capabilities for modern HR leadership. Learners gain skills in the strategic implementation of AI, ensuring legal compliance, applying data-driven decision-making, and preparing organizations for future-ready HR technologies, enabling smarter workforce strategies, compliant AI adoption, and resilient HR transformation in an evolving digital workplace. AI Certification in Human Resources by AI CERTs is designed for HR professionals, talent acquisition specialists, people analytics experts, business leaders, as well as students and new graduates who want to apply AI in modern HR environments. The program equips learners with practical AI knowledge to support smarter hiring, workforce analytics, strategic decision-making, and efficient HR operations in an AI-driven workplace. AI Certification in Human Resources by AI CERTs is recognized globally for AI skills in HR. It highlights expertise in AI for talent management, analytics, and HR operations, boosting efficiency and strategies. Backed by global standards, AI CERT certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Join the AI Certification in Human Resources by AI CERTs to gain AI-driven HR skills. Learn how AI enhances decision-making, efficiency, and compliance in HR, and apply AI to talent management, analytics, workforce planning, and automation for smarter outcomes. Find more details in the course flyer below. Explore AI Certification in HR by AI CERTs. Transform HR with AI for data-driven decisions, automation, and compliance, boosting planning, talent management, and efficiency in today's AI-driven workplace. Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@synergogy.com or visit our page on synergogy.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.